Ladies and gentlemen, the time is here. The C30 finally has Apple CarPlay, bro. Finally, after so long, I finally found a setup that I like. And I'm going to show you guys right here, right now. So you guys see the monitor. And in a few seconds, you'll see the screen. Touchscreen works perfectly fine. Some of the apps that you'd like to see, everything works. Maps, whatever you want. This is basically like having an up-to-date car. But obviously in a C30 that so many of us want something with a screen instead of using our phone, right? So I'll show you guys what I got, how I installed it. It's nothing too crazy, honestly. And it's worth $80. It's worth every bit of it. Every single bit of it. Cheers. I'm going to be opening this up. I already opened it just to check the insides. But you guys are kind of getting another view on this. It's a little envelope. Thank you, Ethan. I really hope I enjoy this, so we'll see. So in the box, we have actual display, which honestly, it's a lot longer than I would have wanted. I would have wanted something taller, but I won't knock it because I haven't tried it yet. So I'll put this off to the side. Inside the box, I haven't actually opened anything down here. I only checked the screen. So we have a suction cup, which is probably what I will use to mount it onto the Volvo. Looks pretty good. I like it. Oh, really nice snap. Okay. Put that off to the side. And then, yes, I'm in my kitchen. We have this tip here, which I probably won't use this. I don't know. I'm not really a big sucker or fan for stuff like this. Like adhesive mounts. I definitely like the suction on the cup, like suction cup itself. Prefer that over just the 3M tape. We have our rear dash cam that you can hook up. I'm not going to do this. I just don't really have a... I don't know. To me, it's not really a benefit. Yeah, I would like to see it in reverse, but keep it old school. Put your arm over the passenger seat and then just send it. So this is our cable, which we will be using to power that. And I'm wondering if we need a aux cable. These are all of the instructions. So he runs it, at least on the picture here, he runs it through the wind under, not the dash. Okay. So behind the screen, tucked away, right behind the windshield, and through the A-pillar, down and then to the port. Okay. Simple enough. We'll go take a stab. Oh, no. This is his aux, for his aux stuff. Output, aux connection. Yeah. So this is how he's got the aux cable set up. So what about the power cable? Same thing. Yeah. So he's got it through the A-pillar. And then, yeah. Okay, sweet. Simple enough. Let's go take a stab. Okay, so we are here. I'm gonna try to set up the GoPro somewhere where you guys will be able to follow through with everything. So got the manual. I also found this online. Very, very helpful. If you guys want the link, I'll probably put it in the description of the video. So, all right, so I got the setup on my sunroof, and hopefully you guys will be able to see everything here. So first things first, I also bought an aux cable because I didn't see that it came with an aux cable, and I don't actually see it, or didn't see it. And if I missed it, Ethan, it's not on you, brother, it's me. so don't worry. So I want to kind of see where I want to put this. Do I want to put this? I want to put it low, somewhere here, which would probably make the most amount of sense, because I don't want it too high where it impedes some type of view of that of the road. So we'll keep it like that so that we have our mount, and seems fairly simple enough. So locked and unlocked, you just push up. There we go. So we're gonna lock this in place for now. This is not a how-to video, it's more like just freaking showing you guys what I bought, but I know you can also extend it. Again, I want to keep it low. Like this. Dude, that is perfect. Oh my God. Ethan, you know what you are doing, brother. Shout out Ethan, bros. I want to have it as center as possible. You guys will probably see my big old dome head. Now I think that is pretty center, but for the sake of actually being centered, what am I doing? I want to put this and be able to see this by itself. That looks pretty centered to me. So, oh yeah, that's good. That is good stuff. Again, Ethan, shout out you, bro. And of course, a little too forward. Yep. And for you guys wondering, I didn't clean this. I cleaned it yesterday because I ordered a Temu screen, and it came in completely damaged. There was line streaks across here, and it wasn't an install error. I actually have a video on my 360 GoPro. Sorry, on my 360 Insta. And I did everything by the T. I mean, it's not like I messed anything up, at least I don't think, but yeah. Okay. Okay, that's a lot better. It looks pretty OEM, to be honest, boys. Damn, I'm stoked. Okay, so I finished with the power supply cable, and I tucked it. I didn't even tuck it, but I'll find a way to kind of hide it. But as you guys can see, I ran it to the A-pillar of the side, and you can probably see a little bit there into here. So moment of truth here in a little bit. Calling my boy real quick. Hello? Yo, what's up, bro? What's up? Let me show you something real quick. Huh? I bought this for the car, bro. Oh, okay. What'd you say?
What happened? To English.
Yeah, I mean, I just installed it right now.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta set it up, but I just wanted to show you.
Oh, nice. Is it connected to like the speakers and everything?
Through the aux. I just gotta hook up the aux cable right now.
Nice. There you go. And it has CarPlay.
Exactly, bro. I don't have to have I don't have to keep having my phone on my side.
Oh, turbo's coming.
Who?
Turbo's coming.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to
Yeah.
show you, bro.
Well, I appreciate it. The peel was on point.
All right, bro. I'll let you go.
All right, man. I'll tell
All
you
right.
later.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, boys, it's working. It's a little off center, but I'm not too worried about it. I'll probably have it facing like this. Oh, hell yeah. You know how cool that looks? Oh my God, bro. I gotta post this on the C30 group. Subsequently, ooh, bro, that is sick. That is awesome. And that display, chef's kiss. Holy smokes. All right, so I ended up doing something different. Instead of wiring right through the back and having that cable all the way down there, I tucked it down here. It's not pretty, but it does the job. Tucked it down there, all the way through here, and it's not this cable, but I hooked up the aux. Again, not pretty, but it gets the job done. Through the back, and then the power cable through the back as well. And there you go.